Did you restrain yourself from finishing my little tune there? If you did, you're my kind of person. And I'm going to need all your strength of restraint now too. I read for a degree in Welsh. I know quite a bit about grammatical nuances, syntax, mutations, and the like. There's a lot of stuff I don't know. And just like you restrained yourself from whistling a moment ago, I'm going to tell you something that I don't know in Welsh. And I don't want you to tell me if you know why, okay? So I have no idea why when we say stuff like Gogledd Ddwyrain, northeast, or De Orllewin, southwest. I have no idea why the second element softly mutates. Gogledd and Dare are masculine. Is it something adverbial perhaps? I just don't know. Munud. Is it masculine or feminine? Un funud fach suggests it's feminine. Aros dau funud. That suggests it's masculine. I literally have no idea. And I don't want to know. I like knowing there's stuff I don't know. I like the mystery out there, you know? Embrace what you do know. You're amazing. Don't stop. But embrace what you don't know just as tightly. And keep it to yourself. Why I live in the Gogledd Ddwyrain and not the Gogledd Dwyrain. Promise me.